Next, we're going to be working on Unit 3.6, which is basic directions. Before we can really get into that, though, we need to look at some of the vocab that goes along with it. So right now, we're just doing some vocab. Here we go. Places around a school, specifically a college, though I guess it could be a high school as well. So locations around the school. First thing we need to know is floor. There are multiple floors. So the sign for floor. Now, as we get into this, it could be multiple floors, so we're going to need to remember our ordinal numbers, signing numbers 1 through 10, specifically 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. It's going to be important that you remember your 1, 2, 3, but as we're signing ordinal numbers showing what floor, we're going to twist them. So first, we twist outward. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. This gets into that rule of 9 again. I can't do 10th, it's a moving number. 10th floor. So first floor, third floor, sixth floor, ninth floor. Ordinal numbers 1, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Okay. Places around school. The bathroom. This is the sign for toilet, but it means going to the bathroom. There is an old-fashioned sign, restroom. It's more of an English-based sign, restroom. I'm going to ask that we stick with bathroom or toilet. Classroom. We should know this. Sign for class. Now give it walls. Classroom. I tend to do it with the B hand shape because that's how I originally learned it. Really, the thumb should be up. It's indicating a flat surface like a wall. Water fountain. Most of the time you'll just see water. So formally, the older water fountain had a knob instead of the push button or the push bars. The front door. We know the sign for door, so the front door. If we're going into a school, it might not look like this. It could be the front door. Bookstore. Library. Soda machine. We've learned soda. Machine looks a lot like roommate, except it's the gears moving together. The cafeteria. You will see cafeteria signed, or the eating room. Candy or food machine. We have the sign for machine now. It's going to depend. Are you talking about a candy or a... You may also see the sign snack. Other things you will see in a school. The stairs. Legs moving. The stairs. Yes, you can also go down the stairs. And elevators. The older sign for elevator was elevator, with an E going up and down between floors. You will also see the sign for lift used instead. The floor of the elevator, the lift part of the elevator instead of the English E. And recently I have been seeing the elevator, the floor and a person standing. Elevator's still what's used in our book, though. Now, as we also get into directions, we're going to have to remember signer's perspective. That's going to be really important as we get into giving directions. It's going to be the next part. We also need to remember our sign for near. Near or close sign.